Your Ford Escape's interior's full of wasted space, loose items sliding everywhere, and that annoying auto stop start killing your vibe at every red light. These 8 accessories fix all of that without touching a single wire. Well, almost. Every link is right there in the description. Go check them out. Starting the countdown at number 8, the hanging storage tray drops straight into the center console gap and instantly creates organized space for parking cards, earphones, coins, and daily essentials. A BS plastic build with smooth matte finish installs in seconds with 0 tools. One of those $5 fixes that makes every single drive cleaner and more organized. Number 7. The armrest cover is the comfort upgrade your elbow deserves on every commute. Vinyl leather top with soft sponge underneath wraps the entire console lid, protects from pet claws and key scratches, and stays put with 2 elastic bands at the back. Slides on without tools. Long drives feel noticeably different once this is on. At number 6, and this one gets extra time because it genuinely changes how you drive daily. The Auto Start Stop Eliminator from 4D Tech permanently remembers your preference to disable that engine cycling at every red light, without hacking or fooling any factory systems. Plug and play, no cutting, no programming, warranty safe. No more engine shuddering back to life the second traffic moves an inch forward. Engineered and assembled right in New York by a company that's been doing automotive electronics since 2013 and tested specifically for the Escape with the 13-inch screen. Every single startup, it's already off. Set it and forget it. Number 5, the phone holder is 3D scanned. Specifically for the Escape's 8-inch screen dashboard, not a universal clamp that looks wrong from day one. Magnetic mount with 20 wide N55 magnets keeps your phone locked in place even on rough roads. Non-destructive install, removable anytime, MagSafe compatible. Confirm your screen size before ordering. This one's built for a single specific interior. The door side storage box set at number 4 turns those hollow door handle recesses into actual usable storage. 4-piece set covers all doors. Patent design fits around the door handle without blocking it. ABS plastic with anti-slip silicone pads inside that keep things quiet while you drive. Installs in seconds. Pulls out just as fast. Looks factory when it's in. Number 3, the glove box divider takes that single chaotic compartment and splits it into 5 organized sections. Manuals, sunglasses, keys, phone, tissues, all with a dedicated spot. Sturdy ABS partition that won't crack or deform. Horizontal and vertical dividers create upper and lower zones. Drop it in, take it out, no tools ever needed. Simple idea that makes a genuinely big daily difference. At number 2, the Trunk and Backrest mats are the all-weather protection your cargo area needs year-round. TPE material with no chemical smell. Flexible enough to bend and fold for cleaning. 1-to-1 ratio fit for the Escape cargo floor and rear seat back. Dirt, gravel, and mud stay on the mat surface and off your factory carpet. Rinse it off with water when it gets dirty. Done. The center console organizer takes the top spot because it fixes the biggest daily annoyance in the Escape interior. 5 compartments keep pens, coins, glasses, and daily essentials organized and within reach, with a cord pass-through hole for keeping your charging cable tidy. Removable rubber mats in each compartment kill rattling completely. Drops in and lifts out without tools. Your console goes from black hole to organized in about 10 seconds. 8 accessories, 1 Escape, and an interior that finally works as smart as it looks. Whether you start with the organizer or go all in on the full list, your daily drive gets better immediately. Every link is in the description. Go build your setup. Hit subscribe and stay with us. More Ford Escape content is on the way.